Hello friends, good evening. Myself Venkatesh Joshi. Today today we are going to learn the topic of cloud computing. The term cloud refers to a network or internet. In other words, we can say that cloud is something which is present at remote location. Means we can't see that. Cloud can provide services over public and private networks. For example, WAN, LAN or virtual private networks. Applications such as email, web conferencing, customer relationship management execute on cloud. Then now we will see what is cloud computing. Cloud computing refers to manipulating, configuring and accessing the hardware and software resources remotely. It offers online data storage, infrastructure and application. Cloud computing offers platform independency as the software is not required to be installed locally on the PC. Hence, the cloud computing is making our business applications mobile and collaborative. Now, we will see the basic concepts of cloud computing. There are certain services and models working behind the scene, making the cloud computing feasible and accessible to end users. Following are the working models for cloud computing. First one is deployment model and the second one is service model. The deployment model defines the type of access to the cloud. For example, how the cloud is located. Cloud can have any of the four types of access: public, private, hybrid, and community. Then the next comes the service models. Cloud computing is based on service models. These are categorized into three basic service models such as infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Now we will see how to use a cloud storage. How to use a cloud storage? The step one is on the start screen, tap or click on the OneDrive to open the OneDrive app. Then the second step is tap or click folders to browse to the location on OneDrive where you want to add the files. And the step 3 is swipe in from the top or bottom edge of the screen or right click to open the app commands and then tap or then click click on the add files, then you can save your files on the OneDrive. Now we will see the moving and downloading your files to OneDrive. To move files to OneDrive using File Explorer, when you move files, you are removing them from your PC and adding them to OneDrive. Drag files from the file list in the right plane to OneDrive in the left plane. Then getting your file from anywhere. When your files are in OneDrive, you can get to them from any device. Even if something happens to your PC, you can go to the OneDrive website or you can use one of the mobile apps for Android, iOS or Windows phone. Now we will see the benefits of cloud computing. The first benefit is faster time to market. You can spin up new instances or retire them in seconds, allowing developers to accelerate developments with quick deployments. Cloud computing supports new innovations by making it easy to test new ideas and design new application without hardware limitation or slow procurement processes. Then second advantage is scalability and flexibility. Cloud computing gives your business more flexibility. You can quickly scale resources and storage up to meet business demands without having to invest in physical infrastructure. Companies don't need to pay for or build in the infrastructure needed to support their highest load levels. Likewise, they can quickly scale down if resources are not being used. Now, the third advantage is cost savings. Whatever cloud services model you choose, you only pay for the resources you actually use. This helps you avoid overbuilding and over provisioning your data center and gives your IT teams back valuable time to focus on more strategic work. Then the next advantage is better collaboration. Cloud storage enables you to make data available anywhere you are, anytime you need it. Instead of being tied to a location or specific device, people can access data from anywhere in the world from any device as long as they have a continuous internet connection. And the last advantage is data loss prevention. Cloud providers offer backup and disaster recovery features. Storing data in the cloud rather than locally can help prevent data loss in the event of an emergency, such as hardware malfunction, malicious threats, or even simple user error. Now we will see the limitation or disadvantages of the cloud computing. Of course, like any technology, there are pros and cons to cloud computing. For example, one of the most common drawbacks of cloud computing is that it relies on an internet connection. Traditional computing uses a hardwired connection to access data on servers or storage devices. With cloud computing, a bad connection could keep you from accessing the information or application you need. And other disadvantages of cloud computing include risk of vendor lock-in and less control over underlying cloud infrastructure, concern about security risks like data privacy and online threats, integration complexity with existing systems, unforeseen costs and unexpected expenses. The good news is that you can address most of these disadvantages by doing your research and carefully evaluating cloud service providers and their service models. Many of the issues that arise when migrating to cloud result from a lack of clear understanding about what providers offer, pricing models, and what security tasks remain the responsibility of the customer. In addition, choosing an open cloud platform can give you more flexibility and freedom to build and operate where you need and seamlessly integrate with the service you want. Why we have to switch to cloud computing? At this point, it's clear that the advantages outweigh the limitations. Most companies today are not considering whether they would migrate to the cloud, but what they should migrate. The cloud delivers more flexibility and reliability, increased performance and efficiency. So, thanks, thanks for watching. If you like the videos, please share, comment, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.